We already cleaned what's inside. So I'm going to make a cassava cake, guys. So good morning, guys. It is Saturday today, and it is 11:40 na ng umaga, and si Mr. nasa labas, so may kausap siya. So guess what, guys, I think yung sasakyan ko is mabebenta today. So I had that car for over 10 years, so it's sad to let it go. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think magbibigay yata. I've just heard them na magbibigay daw ng deposit sa sasakyan. So yung blue car ko, guys, we're selling it because we have 3 cars, and kasi yung car ko is very old na, so I need to get rid of it, and bibili kami ng bagong sasakyan ko, so that's why we're selling it. So magre-ready lang ako kasi baka pumasok si Mr. and may papepirmahan sa akin, so I'm just gonna get ready. So sold na ang ating sasakyan, guys. So that's my first car. Ayan, Honda CR-V. It's been really good car, guys, and we already cleaned what's inside. Can you open the door, please? So maganda kasi ito siya, guys, kasi may sunroof, and then that's what it looks inside. I have this car for over 10 years. So yeah, maganda yung sunroof niya. And ayan, clean na siya. We just need to vacuum it a little bit. So si ate binaya, nag-deposit na si ate ng pera, tsaka babalikan na kasi magkukuha pa sila ng pera. So yung mga mark dyan sa yan, isa car seat na mga bata, yung maliliit pa sila. So I'm gonna be driving that car when I go to work. So yan yung isa namin sasakyan. It's Toyota Kluger. So ibebenta din namin yan kasi I'm getting a new car, and yung sasakyan ni hubby is anong tawag ito, van. So this work, this is like this. And guys, all sunroof kasi gusto ng mga tao na may sunroof, especially when it's spring weather or warm weather. So ayan, paalam na my car. Getting emotional. So nag-test drive na sila ng sasakyan, guys. Nasa labas sila. Ating kasama yung anak ng bumili ng sasakyan. Ating nag-test drive kasama si Mr. So magsusold na ang ating sasakyan, guys. Pupunta nga pala ako sa supermarket kasi gagawa ako ng maha blanca, or no, not maha blanca, cassava cake. So kasi may may yung anong tawag to, grated cassava na frozen. So I defrosted it last night, so it's ready to be used. So I'm just gonna andito na sila. My car is gone, guys. Sold it. Wala na ang ating Honda. It's gone. So we just drop it off to the new owner's house. Yung sasakyan. But I don't have a car yet. So you're gonna have to drive me to work every day. My love. It's sad it's gone.
I'll do it now anyway. What's the difference?
I had that car for a long time. Still a good car though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that car has been really, really good. mystery. So I'm going to make a cassava cake, guys. So it's my own version. So a lot of people have different version of making cassava cake, but this time I'm gonna try it myself, see how it goes. So I'm only using the 500 grams of grated cassava that's already been defrosted. So I have some melted butter, some cheese. I have 1 can of coconut milk, 1 carnation evaporated milk, and I have a can of, well, it's not over a can of, I think it's 3/4 of condensed milk, and I have got some 2 eggs. So 2 eggs because the other one we use it for the toppings, and I'm only gonna be using half of this one for the toppings as well and for our mixture, and then the carnation, and then the coconut milk. So let's go ahead and start. So I have my baking pan here, so I just put a foil so it doesn't, I don't have to like spray an oil in the baking pan. And then I have this one here, my dish, to mix all the ingredients. Yan guys, nasa oven na ang ating cassava cake mixture. So I set the timer for an hour, and let's see what happens. So and while we wait for that one, I'm gonna make the toppings for our cassava cake to put on top. So it's the same thing. I'm just gonna use the half of the coconut milk, and then I use the evaporated milk and condensed milk and some cheese and melted butter and a little bit of corn flour to thicken the topping, and then we'll just mix it up together in a saucepan. So yun yung gagawin natin. So our topping is done, guys. So I'm just waiting for the cassava cake mixture to finish. So that's all. See, it's very malapot. So I'm just gonna wait for the mixture to finish. So we still have 40 minutes to wait. Yeah. Ayan guys, tapos na ang ating cassava cake. So it's brown on top. So I made it brown, so it looks nice. Ayan ang ating cassava. That's the topping actually. So we're gonna try it later. Oh, it's a little bit sticky. And guys, I'm just gonna put it in here. We'll try it. So let's taste it. And here's some. It's very it's very soft. And yung tamis niya is just it's just what. It's good. Tinry ko yung siya, hindi pa tayo naghapunan. Yum. That's good. It's pizza night, guys. Got some garlic bread as well. So this one is it's called special. So it has prawns, pineapple, capsicum, olives, and cheese, and some onions.
We're watching Kelly.
So, kain tayo. It's almost 11 na ng gabi, guys, and kakatapos lang namin manood ng movie ni Mr. And naalala ko lang yung sasakyan ko. Napaiyak tuloy ako. I'm gonna miss that guy. I really miss it already. Kasi pag attach ka sa isang bagay, diba, mahirap i-let ko. But I had to let it go. So anyway, yan ang ating video for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating channel. See you guys.